I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you no makeup look. So basically in this video I'm going to teach you how you can do makeup where it looks like that you're not wearing any makeup. I hope it's making any sense. So first of all, I'm just gonna start with a clean face and clean and moisturized face. And first of all, I will be applying some of the primer onto my face because we really want to prepare our skin for the other products I'll be using. So I'm just gonna take this primer and I'm just gonna apply it generously, and then I'm gonna take this foundation. I'm gonna apply in dotted motion all over my face, and I'm using Beauty Blender to blend my skin, and I will start from the center and I'll go outwards to my face, and the more you blend, the more flawless and natural look you will get. So all the product details will be written in the description box. You can just go and check it out, and you can avail these products at the beauty store by Bigbasket. So yeah, once the foundation is done, I'm just gonna take some concealer. I'm taking a little darker concealer just to correct my under eye dark circles, and I'm just blending it with the Beauty Blender again, just like this.
Focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking.
Then I'm gonna take the same foundation and I'm just gonna conceal more of my under eye area because I have like really bad dark circles, and I'm blending it with the Beauty Blender sponge again. Then I'm taking this contour and highlight palette. I'm taking this highlight color and I'm just placing this highlight powder under my eye area and wherever my foundation tends to crease. And now I will be doing my eyebrows. I'm taking this eyebrow kit. It has a wax and powder, so I'm gonna take a wax first and then powder, and I'm gonna start shaping my eyebrows. And you must use a brown or gray shade. Don't use black because it will look made up, because this is a natural no makeup look. So use colors like brown or gray to have that natural look. And then I'm gonna take some highlighting concealer and I'm just gonna place under my brow bone, and I'm just gonna blend it really nicely. It will instantly lift your eyes. Look at that. You can actually see the difference on both of the eyes. One is looking lifted and other is not looking as lifted. So it's a very important step. If you are not wearing any eye makeup, you can just do this. It's time for mascara, and I'm using few good coats of mascara to my upper lash line and my lower lash line to have that really nice thick and full lashes. And then I will be moving towards my face. So I will be dusting off any excess powder I have on my face, and it will also help me to blend everything on my face. Then I'm taking this contour color and I will be using this as a bronzer. I will be applying it to my hairline because it's a very obvious place where you can make out that you're actually wearing makeup or not. So I really need to like blend it really nicely, and I don't want a very sharp contour. That's why I'm using with a fluffy brush just to warm up my face. And then I'm just taking this shade onto my fingers and I'm just shaping my nose a little bit because I generally contour my nose. This step is totally optional. Then I'm going to move towards the blush. I'm using this dirty pink blush and I'm just applying to my apples of cheeks, and I'm just blending towards the hairline and also blending it with the bronzer I applied. And you can see how healthy glow it is giving into my skin. I'm not using any highlight because it will look as I have worn any makeup. Lastly, I will be applying lipsticks. I'm using two shades. First, I'm just gonna apply that nudish pink color, and then I'm just going to top over some nude color over it. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for the no makeup look. It looks that you are not wearing any makeup, like you are not caked up, but it looks very natural and very pretty. So yeah, that's was the tutorial for no makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this look, and all the details for the products will be in the description box. You can go to the beauty store by Bigbasket and purchase all the products. So that was the video, and I hope you really like this video. So please don't forget to subscribe, and bye bye, take care, stay beautiful and stay healthy.
Between